Sick of chasing trend reversals that fizzle out? Here's a smarter way. Combine trend magic with RSI momentum to catch high-probability reversals. This strategy combines two indicators. 1. The weekly pivot only. It plots only the main weekly pivot line. No S1, S2, R1, R2 clutter, giving you a clean reference for institutional level support, resistance. 2. The Wilder's DMI, a momentum-based indicator that fuses DMI, ADX, and ADXR into one. It gives a histogram. Lime bars equal bullish bias, tomato bars equal bearish. Plus, when the histogram breaches 20, that signals strong momentum. Here's how you trade. Buy. Wait for price to cross above the weekly pivot line. On the Wilder's DMI, you want lime, bullish histogram bars, and one of those bars must breach 20 for strong momentum. The candle that breaks above the pivot should look like a momentum, bullish candle. When these line up, enter long. Stop loss. Place it at the fractal low below your entry candle. Exit. You close the trade when either A. Price closes back below the weekly pivot line, or B. The Wilder's DMI histogram turns tomato. For a sell, you do the mirror image. Wait for price to cross below the weekly pivot. Wilder's DMI must show tomato, bearish bars, with at least one breaching 20. The breakout candle should be a bearish momentum candle. Enter short when all align. Stop loss. At the fractal high above the entry. Exit. Close when A. Price closes above the weekly pivot line again, or B. Histogram flips to lime. Other details. This is a swing trading strategy. Use it on the 4-hour time frame. Works on both major and minor currency pairs. Risk management tip. Since this is a swing trade, don't use too tight of a stop. Let price respect the weekly pivot area and use fractals so your stop loss is placed at a logical support resistance point. Also, only pull the trigger when the DMI momentum is strong, above 20. That filter helps avoid false breakouts. The weekly pivot point reversal strategy gives you a powerful institutional level edge plus momentum confirmation, helping you catch real swing reversals. Want to try it for yourself? Go to forexmt4indicators.com to download the weekly pivot only and Wilder's DMI indicators and templates for free.